frequency fire. Respect for the Rasta, live the vibration. Now ya bring it on that shake the earth and sky. Lightning flash bright while the spirits amplify. One Jah love never fade, never die. Golden sunrise on the mountain peak. The ancient truth every elder speak. Strong like lion but humble and meek. Spiritual and poor one, no corruption can leak. Drums beat rapid like a heartbeat race. Echo through jungle and organ place. Lightning reveal every hidden face. Respect bring peace to the human race. Respect for the Rasta, lift the vibration high. Now ya bring it under shade the earth and sky. Lightning flash bright while the spirits amplify. One Jah love never fade, never die. Yo, frequency high when the bassline drop. Roots culture heavy and the vibes non-stop. Bingy and hip-hop connect at the top. Truth too powerful for Babylon stop. Meditate deep while the rainstorm pour. Mind elevate when the thunder roar. Rasta teachings up in every door. Now the whole crowd scream more, more. Head to head pulse with the African drum. Spiritual warriors never stay numb. From the islands where the prophets come. Respect the crown till the kingdom come. Hear the lightning, hear the chant. Positive waves through every camp. No fear, no hate, no spiritual cramp. Jah fire glow like eternal light. High frequency energy fill the air. Love and respect make the people aware. Every dreadlock carry wisdom and prayer. Righteous vibration everywhere. Thunder crack loud but the soul stay calm. Roots reggae flow like healing balm. Ancient scriptures in a modern psalm. Jah protect through every storm. Real respect for the Rasta, raise the frequency. Now ya bingy drums unlock spirituality. Lightning and thunder shake negativity. One love stronger than hostility. High vibration from the old to young. Truth on the mic and the drum get